I'm Rye. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to make an andouille sausage and pistachio pizza. Now I'm using my 63% hydration dough recipe here. I'll put a link to the video on how to make that in the description and get it out of there into some flour. Just start working it into beginning circle. Some flour on my work surface. I want to get it up on the backs of my hands and just let gravity do the work as I move around. So I have flour out of the way here. First on today is some cheese, and this is a 50-50 blend of mozzarella and white cheddar. I get some dollops of sauce on here. This is a very simple sauce. It's just tomato puree, good tomatoes, with some kosher salt. That's it. Just flavored to taste. A little bit of oregano here. And some andouille. This is a smoked andouille. A little drizzle of olive oil here. Just a sprinkling of some crushed pistachios. There's some whole ones, pieces. Most of it's crushed though. We might add some after we do our bake also. A little bit of fresh parm. My oven is at 750 degrees ambient temp and 750 deck temp. Let's get this in. Got my flame turned down to low because I don't want to overcook the top. Work on some color here. Turn my flame up a little bit here. Looking pretty good, but I want a little bit more in there, a little bit more color. I think we are ready. Maybe a little basil on top to pretty it up, huh? Just a little bit. And a little dusting of pistachios to go with it. Let's cut in. Oh, that is looking good. Nice structure in that crust. I already know this is going to be good because I love andouille. I make pizza like this all the time. But let's taste. One of the things I love about this type of pizza is you're not using a ton of sauce, but that andouille, it releases the oils on the top here as it cooks. Kind of like pepperoni, but I find andouille does it more. Absolutely fantastic.